So we're back once again checking it out from Comfier. This is their heated knee brace. Let's open this up and check this out. Okay. So it comes with your power cord here, and then inside here, they have a little bag. We have this card here again with the warranty information, and then we have a little knee brace guide. There are two of them, but they're powered in sequence, it looks like. And then it says the way it works is this is the on-off button in the middle, vibration and heat. Skew. Okay, so you can, it looks like, unplug between them. So if you've only got one knee pad that you need to work with, you can basically just use one. Or you can choose to line them up together. Okay. Very soft velvety material. The Velcro is very solid on here. The material on the outside is also very soft. Let's see the length. Power cord's got a pretty good length. If you're sitting in a sitting position, that's probably gonna be pretty solid for you. Not really a lot of wiggle room needed there. Well, those are very different. Got like a standard pulsing. Built up. Thrumming. Pulsing. What I equate to a chainsaw. Like a revving and then just solid. And that's for heat. But that heat is instant. That's actually pretty good. And heat is just on and off. There are no controls on the second unit, so you do have to use them with this as a control base. But again, like if you're sitting on a couch, using these two in close concert is not going to be that big of a deal. The connection cord is roughly, yeah, that's more than enough for 2 legs. So that'll be easy to do. Well, hopefully you guys found this interesting. We're going to go try this out real quick and tell us what your thoughts are. We'll be right back. It's still pretty hot right now, so I don't know if I'll be using the heat portion of the knee brace that often, but that massage feature really kind of helps revitalize. We go on our long convention adventures at CES and San Diego Comic-Con. Those are going to be great additions to our room to kind of help us roll back the damage of the day later in the evening. So that's really solid. Well, hopefully you guys found this helpful and you pick up one for yourself, and we'll see you guys next time.